If you're looking for a gaming laptop that's also built with creators in mind, then take a look at the Acer Predator Triton 14 AI. This specific laptop model is the PT14-52T-96T3. That's a mouthful. Now, this laptop packs everything into its small 14-inch body: gaming, creative work, and AI features. Let's talk about what I think the main idea is. This is a premium compact gaming laptop, and its design strongly focuses on portability. It's lightweight, which is surprising for an RTX-capable laptop, but it also brings about some trade-offs. This design basically means that you can hold this laptop around without looking silly in a cafe or in a class with a really huge laptop. This Triton has an Ultra 9 288V CPU and an RTX 5070 with 8GB of GDDR7 VRAM. However, 8GB for its $2,500 price tag is not so appealing. This laptop has a screen resolution of 2880 by 1880. It's sharp and crisp, but also quite demanding, and it might make the 5070 sweat a little. This is a decent laptop setup on paper. Now let's talk about the gaming performance. With Counter-Strike 2 at 3K and high settings, we get an average FPS in the mid-130s, which is not bad considering the high resolution. Cyberpunk 2077 at the highest settings with DLSS set to quality gives us an average FPS of just under 50, which is a little sad, but also expected at 3K. Finally, Black Myth Wukong at the highest settings nets us an average FPS of just 22, which is definitely sad. But again, a 3K screen resolution is a little too much for a small laptop. Thermal performance is not something to be totally worried about, since the laptop does have a vapor chamber and a graphene TIM. The laptop gets 32GB of LPDDR5X RAM, which means it's soldered and not upgradable, but it's clocked at a significantly faster 8,533 megatransfers per second compared to modular RAM. Storage-wise, you're getting 2 terabytes, and it's technically upgradable if you replace the already installed SSD, as this laptop only has 1 SSD slot. The display is certainly one of the better parts of this laptop, and I believe it's the main thing that justifies its price tag. You're getting a 14.5-inch 2.8K OLED touchscreen at 120Hz. It looks fantastic, as do pretty much all OLED panels: deep blacks, strong contrast, and vibrant colors thanks to the 100% DCI-P3 coverage. For content consumption, creation, and many other color-sensitive tasks, this laptop is great, and it also comes with a pen that you can use on a haptic touchpad if you're into that sort of thing. The AI branding is another highlight. The 288V has an NPU for AI tasks and Copilot Plus features, but in real-world use, these features are still fairly limited, and they don't make any meaningful impact on gaming or everyday tasks in general. Overall, the Triton 14 AI is a great laptop for users who value portability, students or creatives who still want to game, and game properly at that. The 288V is an efficient CPU that will definitely help with battery life, and the RTX 5070 isn't a slouch, but I'd highly recommend dropping the resolution to 1600p to make things a little better than they already are. If you're interested, you may check out the link in the description box below, or simply you can just scan this QR code to check it out on Amazon right now. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!